Hello everyone, welcome to Java learning series. In this video, we will learn that how to write codes in Java using NetBeans. At the last day, we learned that how to install NetBeans and JDK for Java development. So let's start. If you install the NetBeans in your computer system, then you will see this icon of NetBeans IDE in your computer system. So for creating Java applications, you have to open NetBeans IDE. Now I am opening this IDE. That's the welcome page of NetBeans. So we are creating a new project using Java. So we have to go the file menu, then click on new project. We are creating a new project. What we are creating? We are creating a Java application. We are creating Java and then Java application. Select the Java application, then click on the next button. After that, give a name to your project. That may be any name. That may be any name. For example, I am giving it that name like test. You can give any name. By default, it stores in C drive document folder in NetBeans project. You can change its default location, but I don't want to change it. I want to that will be an exact in the exact location where is it's stored by default. So my project will created by the name of test. Then our project will create automatically a class by the name of test, then finish. Now there is a project created by the name of test. Now Java is an object-oriented programming. We will talk more about object-oriented programming in the next videos. But by default, it's create a class, a package, and a method. But in some IDEs, you will not see the codes. So, for example, you are seeing like this, they are blank page. So at the first, you have to create a package. The package name could be anything. For example, test. Create a package by the name of test. In any object-oriented program, you have to create a class. So I'm creating now a public class. Public class. What will be the name of class? So I'm giving the project name and the class name should be same. My project name is test. Java is case sensitive, so the first letter is capital. Public class test. Then open curly brackets. Nav. This is the body of the class. Everything we are coding, we should write inside the class. After that, at the class, we should have a main method. We should have a main method because when compiler read the Java codes, it starts from the main method. We can create more methods in our Java class, but when the main method is compulsory, then we should have the main method. So have to create the main method by typing public static void, and the name should be main. I am creating the main method, so it should the name be the small letters main. After that, string arguments of the main method. I don't want to pass parameter right now, but we will later. That's the basic structure of Java, the basic syntax of Java programming. At the first, you should create a package. After that, you have to create a class, and inside the class, you have to create the main method. And any code you want to write, you should write it inside the main method. I will explain it more when we start the object-oriented programming. I will share why we have written the public, why you have written the class, why we have written the static, void. What does it mean? I will explain it later. But for right now, just remember that's the syntax of Java programming, and that's the structure of Java programming you have to create. Now, at every programming language, now what I want from this program, I want to print this program, welcome to Java. When I'm running this application, now this is the run button. You can click on dash or press F6 in your keyboard. Now the project is built successfully, but it don't show any result. So I want to, from this program, welcome to Java. Welcome to Java programming. I want to print welcome to Java from this program. So for there is a method by the name of print and println methods we can use for printing the text numbers or anything in the screen. So I have to write system. The first letter should be capital. System dot aft dot println. Println is a method. So after the name of any method, we have to open parenthesis. After that, inside the parenthesis, I can write any message. So if you want to print the numbers, you don't need to put it in double quotation. You can write directly 80. Now if I run this application, it will print 80 for us. But I want to print the see the message. Welcome to Java programming. So I'm writing here, welcome to Java programming. That's the line that I want to be printed, but it's not working. It doesn't run. It's give an error. There is a red line in under the our Java statement. Why? Because of that, if you want to string or text to be printed, put it inside the double quotation. Double quotation in here and also a double quotation mark in here. Now if I'm clicking the run button, we will see the result. Welcome to Java programming. Now you can see how to print the statement. If I want to print another statement, so I can write here system.aft.println, and now I can write inside another statement, Java is easy to learn. Now if I click the run button, we will see the two statement. Welcome to Java programming, and another statement, Java is easy to learn. So I mean, if you want to print, you can use the print statement, println statement. But if we and also we can use just print method instead of println. For example, I want to print hello world from my application. I can write here system.aft.print. And instead of println, I have wrote the print. I can pass any argument. For example, I am writing here hello world. Hello world. Now, if I'm running this application, it will also print hello world. So what's the difference between the print and println method? Now you can see that if I give it the hello world is printed, and also in the same line we can see build successfully total this number. And if I give ln means line, new line. If we use println method, println it's mean print this statement, this words, and after that at the end print a new line also. Now if I run this statement, you can see hello world. Why? Because now we can see another this statement in another line. For example, I am printing using two statement using println. Right, I'm writing in here system dot aft dot println, and after that I'm writing here my name is Abdullah. My name is Abdullah Soroush. And after that, now I am copying this statement and paste it here and writing another statement. I'm writing here, I am a computer teacher. I write this statement. Which method I have used for printing? I have used the println method. So I am erasing the ln, and using print method I am printing the statement. What should we what will be accurate? It will print this line and this statement, and after that it will print this statement at the same line. Now you can see all the three lines are printed in the one line. My name is Abdullah Soroush. I am a computer teacher. Built successfully total. So at the end of this statement, I want a new line. So we can write in here print a line. And if I put an ln at the end, it's mean at the end of this text it will print a new line also. Now you will see that is printed in one two lines. There's a separate line. And if I want to line also at the here, we can put print ln and also in here. Now we can see my name is Abdullah Sorosh. I am a computer teacher. Now these two statements are printed in separated lines. All these three statements. So in another statement, I want to ask you. I'm writing a single statement. Print system dot out. Now you can select, you can decide whether you use the print or println statement. You know the difference between these two statements. Method, sorry. System.out.println, and after that I'm writing statements in here about myself. For example, my name is Abdullah Sorosh. I am from Afghanistan. I am a computer teacher. Now I have write three sentences in one line. Now if I click, that will be printed all in one line. But I want to a line up to here, and after that a new line in here. So I have to write three println statements. That's difficult. That's the code will be increased, and also the line numbers of code will increase. So we can put instead of here backslash and also create a new line. And now I write my name is Abdullah Sorosh. It will print this text, and after that it will print a new line and it will print this statement. After printing these this sentence, I want to print again a new line. Now if I run this, it will also, my name is Abdullah Sorosh. I'm from Afghanistan. I'm a computer teacher. And thank you for watching. And once again, I'm apologize for that. I can't speak English very well, but I hope you will understand. And I am uploading daily videos on computer programming, computer networking, database, Microsoft Office, computer basics, or any computer subject. I will upload videos to my channel. So if you are interested in learning computers, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. At the next video, we will talk more about Java programming, inshallah. Thank you.